Giving birth to a baby is one of the most beautiful experiences, but the process is quite painful for the mother. No matter if it's C-section or vaginal birth, a mother needs the best care right after giving birth, and it is quite important to ensure the best products to provide her with the highest comfort during this time. One such product is Peri bottle, which is used to clean the havoc down there to give you comfort and relief. Hospitals provide you with Peri bottles which often do not serve the purpose properly, which is why you need to choose one with a suitable design to ensure ease during postpartum. So in today's video, we came up with the 5 best Peri bottles which will help you throughout the healing period. Let's check them out.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
The Waterpulse Peri bottle is an eco-friendly product which comes with an ergonomic design to provide you with a great cleaning experience. This 17 ounces portable Peri bottle will be a great companion during your postpartum days. It has an upside-down design and comes with a narrow-angled neck, providing continuous water stream while ensuring comfort. The bottle gives your lady bits targeted relief during the first weeks of childbirth. This product ensures strong flow of water without any leakage. You can use it in case of hemorrhoids and menstruation. Plus, it can also be used for daily and outdoor cleanings as well. The bottle is slim in appearance and ensures easy grip for convenient usage. Plus, it comes with a waterproof travel bag. The Waterpulse Peri bottle is favored by users on Amazon, and they love the product as it cleans effectively and is easy to use as well. But some users face different issues while using the product. Let's take a look at the ratings now. We gladly give this bottle 5 stars when it comes to value and price, but in case of user acceptance, it'll get 4 stars. Our next pick for today's video is the ellaTree CleanMommy Postpartum Peri bottle, which will provide comfort during post-childbirth period. It comes with a 380 milliliters capacity and comes in a great size to provide satisfying cleaning down there. The bottle has a longer reach retractable nozzle which provides the perfect amount of pressure, and it also has a wide brim opening which makes it easy to use. You can use this bottle for freshening up as well as cleaning during menstruation. It has a 60-degree targeted angle with a soft and durable design, and the bottle comes with a discreet traveling bag for carrying it anywhere with you. On top of that, this product is free from BPA and phthalate. This Peri bottle for postpartum is admired by hundreds of users as it has a convenient design and provides soothing cleaning. But as it goes, a few users complained that the bottle was leaky. It's time to rate this product now. The overall quality and affordability of this bottle amazed us, and it comes with great value, so we are going to give it a total of 5 out of 5 stars. Gentle cleansing is just at your fingertips with the JP Bathroom Master Postpartum Perineal Cleansing Bidet bottle, which is our next recommended product for you. The bottle has an ergonomic design and it can store 400 milliliters of water. It is easy to handle and provides a comfortable cleaning experience down there during postpartum days. The product doesn't cause any leakage or mess, so you can use it without being worried. It's a simple and soothing option for treating the havoc, and it can be used for multiple purposes such as treating hemorrhoids and cleaning the area during menstruation. You can also carry this bottle and use it as a hand shower during travel. And on top of that, the product is made from 100% non-toxic materials. Additionally, the product is BPA and phthalates free as well. Users really admire this Peri bottle as it works quite well without causing any leakage, but then again, some of them didn't have a great experience with this product. Let's check out the ratings now. When it comes to user acceptance, we give it 4 stars, but in case of value and price, it easily gets 5 stars. The Ninja Mama Postpartum Perineal bottle promises to provide your lady bits with the desired gentle relief for making your postpartum days easier. This 450 milliliter Peri bottle is less than 8 inches in length, and it comes with an 18 centimeter angled spout which provides comfortable spray action. It will serve as a great companion during your postpartum, and using this bottle is quite easy. The large reservoir allows you great convenience, while the bottle provides targeted relief. It comes with a pretty water-resistant carry bag, so you can take this portable bottle with you anywhere you want. The Ninja Mama Postpartum Perineal bottle is loved by many users as it holds a good amount of water and hits the right angles for providing best results. But besides all the positive feedback, some users were not happy with their purchase. Moving on to the ratings, we highly appreciate the overall quality and affordability of this Peri bottle, giving it 5 out of 5 stars in total. The Frida Mom Upside Down Peri bottle is our best pick for today's video, as it has earned the trust of many users for giving relief down there. It is an ergonomic squeeze bottle which comes in an upside-down design to provide easy cleaning in your vaginal area. The narrow angled neck facilitates continuous flow of water and saves you from facing any sort of disaster. This bottle can hold 10 ounces of water, and it helps to clean incisions without any pressure. It is suitable for use in the hospital after giving birth and back at home during the initial days after being a mom as well. The Peri bottle is available in 2 different colors, and it comes with waterproof storage bag for extra convenience. The Frida Mom Upside Down Peri bottle has earned thousands of positive reviews on Amazon, and users love how it cleans well while maintaining the comfort. But then again, some of them complained about leaks. It's time to check out the ratings now. In terms of user acceptance and value, the product easily gets 5 stars, but it falls a bit on the pricier side, so we'll give it 4 stars on that. So that was all about the 5 best Peri bottles. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos, and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.